Got a good day coming, and it's all I need.
This was such an incredible experience for me. I've been full-time traveling for 3 years now, and I would still say this is one of my favorite trips to this day.
Volunteer abroad, I think it's just such a meaningful way to travel, and I'm so glad that I did it.
I see it as a growth experience, so not just growth for yourself, but growth for the others around you, including even the volunteers around you.
I was originally only going to stay 3 weeks, and I've added another one because I'm having so much fun. And the staff is so helpful, like they're always there for you day or night for anything you may need.
I was really nervous, especially like thinking, you know, who's going to be at the volunteer house, who am I going to meet, like are they going to be nice? But you got to think, people who are volunteering generally tend to be quite nice. And that has been my experience 100%. Everyone's been so lovely. Everyone's been really eager to make friends. You meet people from all different kinds of places, all over the world. The people here as well are so nice, like the local team, everyone's just so lovely, so willing to help, so eager to introduce you to their culture and their customs.
It's just a great chance to step outside of your comfort zone, learn about a different culture, most of all learn a lot about yourself as well.
If you have doubts to just go, you have a great time. There's plenty of stuff to do. Been on safari, been to Zanzibar. There's so much to see here. It's beautiful. People are so nice.
I'd say IVHQ did a really good job of making me feel safe, especially being that young. With all the transportation that was set up, meals and lodging being covered, it made it so that I really did not have to leave the place unsupervised if I didn't want to.
Have you ever dreamed of making a difference while exploring the world? Volunteering abroad is not just an opportunity, it's a life-changing experience. Just like the thousands of volunteers that have been on a volunteer adventure so far, here's why you should consider it. Imagine immersing yourself in a new culture, forming lasting relationships, and contributing to meaningful projects. Volunteering abroad can open doors you never knew existed. Volunteering abroad pushes you out of your comfort zone. You'll develop new skills, gain confidence, and discover strengths you never knew you had. Whether it's learning a new language or navigating unfamiliar environments, every moment is an opportunity for growth. A volunteering abroad adventure immerses you into local culture like no other. Experience the richness of different cultures firsthand. Volunteering allows you to connect with locals, understand their traditions, and share your own culture in return. This exchange fosters mutual respect and understanding. Whilst a beach holiday is relaxing or a great change of scenery, your volunteering adventure contribution will have a lasting impact. From teaching children to protecting wildlife, your efforts can help address critical issues in communities that need it most. Imagine the joy of knowing you've made a difference.
Really rewarding. Seeing the kids the kids come up to you in the morning, give you hugs, and then when you leave, they want to shake your hand and give you a fist bump.
Volunteering has no age limit. So whatever you do, whether you're teaching school or I'm working now assisting a local dentist, I feel I'm contributing something, even though it's just for a month. 1 month is better than nothing. I'm really enjoying it.
Humbling, but also incredibly inspirational, because I'll take that home with me forever.
I love seeing the progress that we've made, the difference that we've made.
It makes realistic that is an addition to the contribution to the life of the people here. Yeah.
Yes, it's very concrete, and we feel that we are really helping and do something very concrete. Yeah.
Even if we are not so good.
On your volunteering abroad adventure, you'll meet like-minded individuals from around the globe. The friendships you form while volunteering can last a lifetime, creating a network of support and inspiration that transcends borders. Embark on a volunteering adventure that will change your life. Visit volunteerhq.org to find out how you can start your journey today. Don't just travel, make an impact. Join us in making the world a better place, one volunteer at a time.